excited to be here in Brighton High School Auditorium as our crews are wrapping up the construction. There's still quite a lot of action going on in the area right now. We're getting very, very close and wanted to share a quick set of highlights with you on the work that's been completed and some of the new aspects that we're excited to be able to put into place for our community.
So some of the main highlights on the technical end I'll talk about. I'm Chris VerSchneider. I'm the technical director for Brighton Central School District. So I oversee all your theatrical and musical spaces. In this one, some of the biggest highlights is a full state-of-the-art sound system combined with a state-of-the-art lighting and rigging system. With lighting, one of the biggest advancements, aside from going all LED, is we now have the ability to fully light any area within this entire auditorium. A lot of that came from the use of the catwalk being installed. Previously, once you left the stage area, you really didn't have any way to light the space. They were always dark in the pit. Even further out into the house, you really couldn't add light and enhance the program that way. So by adding a catwalk into the project, we were able to maneuver the lights into positions to create a fully immersive experience inside the theater when we want to. Everything inside this space, lighting, rigging, which is what you hang your curtains and everything from, and sound is completely new and state-of-the-art. We have new Liener array speakers, which will help ease the audience into hearing much better than the old speakers. All the lighting in this space is LED lighting. So that means it can, with the push of a single button, change to any color you can imagine within the space. So that's going to really help all the theatrical productions, musicals, plays, pitch black, machinettes, any of those type of shows where you usually have some more kind of concert lighting. It's going to really help those.
Yeah, I'm Mike Struzik. I'm the facilitator for music 6 through 12 and the high school band director. The thing I'm most excited about, to be honest, it looks beautiful. It actually absolutely looks totally different when you see it. For me, it was all about sound and the acoustics. The thing that excited me the most was that this was designed with the help of an acoustician. It's a totally remodeled space, new sound panels on the walls. It will sound consistent throughout the entire house. And the best thing for the students is we have a whole re-engineered stage with a floating sound panel system that can be adjusted for different groups. So if there's a chorus up there, we can adjust the panels in one way. If there's a band up there, we can adjust them in another way. With the old stage, what would happen is you would play on there and the sound would go up, and then random things would come back down. Now we're going to be able to control that a lot more, where the sound from the stage is actually going to come out into the audience and it'll be a much clearer sound, cleaner sound, and that's what I'm most excited about.
One of the biggest design factors we looked at when originally talking about this space is that we didn't just want the space to be good when we open up the doors. We also wanted to think about the program needs further down the road. So we designed this space to be fully expandable and scalable for any number of performances and productions. So it'll fit and work well for a small acoustic orchestra concert all the way up through our large scale musicals and stuff like that.
I'm also really excited about some of the new design features in the space that allow for more accessibility for our patrons. Starting with the lobby itself, we've built in some very nice art exhibition areas where students can display not only 2D but 3D artwork so people can enjoy the work of our visual artists. And then once you're in the space, we've really accentuated the accessibility with increased numbers of handicap accessible seating areas. We also have a ramp now that runs from the back of the house all the way up onto the stage so that anyone can get onto the stage at any time, and accessibility into and out of the space is greatly enhanced. Additionally, we have electronic enhancements for accessibility as well. We've added in an FM hearing loop system for patrons who may require a little bit of hearing assistance to fully enjoy our shows. All of this really, everything that all of us has talked about today, really adds up to we finally have a space here in Brighton in our high school that matches the quality of the work that the students are presenting for their audiences. So we're super proud to have this space available. It's been a long wait as the project has unfolded, but it's been worth every minute of it, and I'm just super excited to be able to open it up and have students performing again in this space. Thank you all for all of your support as we've gone through this project and all of your backing and patience along the way as well.